Good morning, guys. Day in the life. Day in the life, family. I got a gift here from my grandma. It's huge. It's pretty big. Look how big that box is. That's an awkward box. It's really tall.
Good morning and good afternoon, good night. We are here today. Channel 5 News. Breaking news. There's a black guy going into the Goodwill, buying stuff, reselling it, and making thousands of dollars doing it. Breaking news, Channel 5. We are here today at the Goodwill for live broadcasting of what's going on today. It's going to be an epic day. How does he do it? How does he do it, guys? What's up, family? You already know what it is today. I am in the middle of the street right now because I'm crazy. And you guys already know we're going into the Goodwill to make some money and to find some stuff. So beware. We going. Let's go. Day 2. Retail. Resell. Do it well. Let's go.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Guys, I actually cannot stand Sundays. There's so many people in here. It's like the mall. It's like the mall in the Goodwill right now. Ugh. Yeah, guys, let me do some scanning. Look, this guy's about to bump into me. Let me do some scanning because it's gonna be hard to navigate with the camera because there's so many people in here right now. So I'm gonna do some scanning. I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna show you if I find some stuff. All right, let's get it, family. Peace. Okay, family. So I am glad this happened. Channel 5 News, breaking news. I'm glad this happened, guys. I just made over $100 in literally what? I just walked in here. I just walked in here and I turned off the camera because I said there was too many people and literally turned the corner and find this, guys. Check this out, guys. Check this out. 2 of them, right? This one has a box and it's kind of beat up, but it has all the papers and stuff in there, the manual. So it is new. It's just the box is messed up. Okay, so since the box is messed up, I may not label it new. It's like, it's not too bad, but it's like, yeah, might not. Yeah, this is not new. I'm not gonna label it as new just because the box is really messed up, and that one is used as well. But get this, guys. Check this out. So the BSR is okay. It's 185,000 in kitchen, but 186 4-star, 3.5 4-star ratings. Let's just say, right? And if we list it as new, check this out, guys. I mean used, $52, guys, on each one. $52 on each one, and I can get it for, let's see, I can get it for $8, guys. So let's just do $8. So that's $44.88, guys. Pretty much almost for $100, like 90 something bucks right there, guys, in profits today in less than 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, literally walked in here and that's what happened. I'm telling you, family. Oh my goodness, I might wrap it up right there. That's how you do it. Like, I'm gonna spend 16 bucks. That's it. That's all I'm spending. I'm crashing into stuff, guys, because like I said, I'm trying to film and walk, and it's just like a mall in here. So I'm gonna talk to you guys more when I get outside. I'm about to buy this and maybe look for some other stuff. Let's go. Larry here with Channel 5 News. So can you explain what just happened today in the Goodwill? Nah, guys, so I walked in. I wasn't even in there for, I kid you not even for 5 minutes before I found it. Like, I legit was like, I walked in and I'm like, okay guys, it's like the mall in here. Let's just do a little rewind real quick of what I did. There's so many people in here. It's like the mall. It's like the mall in the Goodwill right now. Ugh. Okay, so after I said that, right? Hey guys, yo, it's like a mall in here, yo. I'm gonna put down the camera and scan something. Literally, turn the corner, See it, boom. Scan it, boom. See the other one without the box, boom. Was like, okay, boom. And now I got both of them, boom. Right? Spent $17 in total. $17 in total. And I'm gonna make it was what, 44 and 88, 44.80 something. I don't know. Let's just say 44.80. 88, about 90 bucks, right? 90. So it was 90, around 90 bucks is what I made, guys. Is what I made. And I spent 17 bucks. 90 of it's gonna be profit. Really quick today. And there was another, actually there was a K-Cup coffee maker that I just couldn't find, but I found the red one, the blue one, the yellow one. There was an orange one in there, but I couldn't find the orange one, so I gotta find it when I get home. And that was going for 130 on Amazon, and the one in there was new, and I can sell it, but I think I have to sell it as used, which was still like 50 something or 70 something bucks. So I'm gonna come back after I find it when I get home. Guys, that's how you do it. Channel 5 News, we're out. So yeah, family, I just got back home, and just like that, that's what it is. Another, well, it's about 90 something, but it is actually over $100 because I found some stuff that I didn't show you guys yesterday when I went to the other store. So that's like, if I even it out, it's another over 100 bucks today that I've found in retail arbitrage, which is nothing. I'm not even spending 100. I'm just making over 100 per day right now. And yeah, I think I'm gonna try to spend 100 a day so that I'll make several hundreds per day. And yeah, that's how you do it, family. I got the stuff right here. Don't worry about this. This is gonna be some stuff for my baby's birthday, her first real birthday. But see, this is what I bought. I showed you guys in the store. Look, $7.99, guys. I have one that's in box. I have one that's out box. And yeah, I'm just gonna buy some bubble wrap. This is a cool example of a used item right here, guys. This is used, right? And so I'm just gonna have to bubble wrap it, and I'm gonna put it in a what's it called, a poly bag with the little warning label, and put my sticky address right on top of that. And Amazon will box this and send it to the customer, and it'll be boxed in Amazon's box. They'll take care of the rest. Just you have to bubble wrap it and put it in a poly bag. Now that's it, guys. I got 1, 2 there. I'm gonna label them both as used. I'm gonna make around 90 bucks. And that's that. Off of 2 items, I only paid 17 bucks. I'm gonna make 90 in profit. And there you have it, family. Another one, family. There you have it. And look, guys, look. I'm just showing you guys now. I know. Here's the thing, family. I know I'm not showing you guys $2,000 hauls, $5,000 hauls. Like, I can do that, and I will do that, and I will show some stuff like that. But a lot of that stuff is clickbaity because a lot of you guys don't have that type of money to spend right away. So what I'm showing you is things that everybody can really do. Everybody has 17 bucks to spend, and they can make 90 bucks in profit. Anybody can come up with $17, right? So that's what I'm showing. I'm showing that more realistic. Not everybody can walk into the store and spend $1,000 on inventory because they got families, they got to feed their kids, they got to do a lot of things, or they got bills, you know. Even if you don't have children, you have bills to pay, you have to live, right? So not everybody can just spend a couple $1,000s, right? But everyone can do this. $17, and I'm about to make 90 in profit, right? And then when I get that 90 back, then you take that 90 and you spend that in profits, and then then you spend that and then you make more profits. Then when your profits come from there, you take all of those and do it again, and now you're gonna like 10x, and you're gonna go higher and higher each time, you know, for each session that you flip money, right, guys? So I'm showing you guys how to do it from the bottom. And even if you want to stay at this level, this is some cool side money, guys. Like, I can go way harder than this. You guys have seen me go way harder than this. I've had $3,000 hauls. I've had big hauls, but this is something that's just some side stuff. Like, guys, like, I can spend 17 bucks in Chipotle. Like, legit, we bought Chipotle today. That's why I said that. And legit, I just spent 17 bucks on some inventory that's gonna make me 90 in profit. Anybody can do this. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified when I make my uploads, guys. If you guys want to make some money, I mean, this is what I do, guys. I'm showing you what anyone can do. Your grandmammy, your grandpappy, anyone can do this, right? Your dog, your cat. But guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified when I do another upload, because you know we coming. This is going to be the strongest family. I told y'all, right? It's peace and love. You already know. I'm out. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.